Hey guys, welcome back to the Hexo series. This is a quick video just showing you how to set up Google Analytics, and it might be slightly different depending on the theme, but for the base theme landscape, you should be able to follow along. So pretty much all you have to do is make sure you already have a Google Analytics account. I've already set one up, Hexo tutorial, and pretty much when you set up the account, you'll be given a code. So if we go tracking information, tracking code, you'll be supplied with a code like this. And most of the time, depending on the website, you can pretty much just copy this in. However, if you kind of want to have it more dynamically set, you can just set like a template or a partial and then have this variable come in, which is exactly what we're going to be doing. So if we go back to our Hexo application here, you can see I've got the landscape theme installed. If we go down to layout, partial, and then Google Analytics, we can see it's already got the partial filled out here for us. And basically all this does is it says if the theme config has a property called Google Analytics that isn't null, it will pull in the Google Analytics code here, which is pretty much what this does right there. So to actually get this to work, pretty much all you got to do is copy that code there, which is also up here, which is what I'm going to do. Go back to our application, and all I have to do is make sure there's a Google_Analytics property defined in our themes config, which I think should be there. Yep, here we go, Google Analytics, and pretty much all I have to do is paste that there. Get rid of that. And we should be good to go. So if I push that to our Git repo now, it should come up on our site. Okay, so that should have built by now. If we go to our website, Hexo, you can see tutorial.nofluffdigital.com, so we're on the right page. If we just give that a refresh, our code should now be there. So if we check the page source, we can see that's being pulled in here. And you can see the account ID has been pulled in. And just one way to verify that this is actually installed correctly, there's a plugin called Tag Assistant by Google, or Google Tag Assistant. Basically all this does is checks to see if any tags have been triggered. And pretty much all you have to do is once you install it, you just have to enable it like this, and then it'll ask you to refresh the page. And then once you refresh the page, it'll go and check for any tags and see it's currently checking it, and then it will change color to green once it's fired. And if it hasn't fired correctly, it'll be red. And another way we can check that Google Analytics is installed correctly is by going to Google Analytics, and we can see that we've already got one user active now. If we didn't have these tabs open, we could send traffic, which would basically open up our page, and then it would test to see if a user comes up. And the other way we can check is through the dashboard. We can see here that we have one active user. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.